We just entered the second month of the year, but a lot of moms still don't have clarity on their financial goals. These are the top three financial goals of moms. First, that is to save for a down payment for a house. Second, pay off debt. And third, build your children's educational fund. These goals are so important for us mommies. Well, because first, having our own home gives us a sense of pride. Second, paying off debt gives us peace of mind. And third, building your child's or your children's educational fund minimizes your worries about the future. So, listen up, mommies. Here are three steps for you to achieve your financial goals. First, create a budget. Make sure your income is above your expenses. And as a rule of thumb, your expenses should not exceed 50% of your income. If your cash flow is not within these metrics, you may want to explore creating additional sources of income. And that's something I can definitely help you with. Second is to set up automatic savings accounts for your goals because discipline is a myth, so you need to automate your savings so you don't have to think about it too much and you can focus on creating more income. Third, invest because savings alone will not take you to where you want to be. A regular savings account in BPI, for example, will only give you 0.0625% in your savings. When it comes to digital banks and other savings accounts, well, banks in general can change their rates without your approval, and investments like a variable insurance are subject to market conditions. Either way, there are risks. This is where you'll need a competent financial advisor that will help you create a customized plan that fits your needs and goals. And I would love to help you set up your goals for the year. Do not worry, I won't be selling any insurance. I just want to share the best practice of the 40,000 scholars who received their educational payouts last year. So, mommies, if you want to find clarity in your 2023 financial goals, set up a quick 20-minute Zoom call with me.